Unboxing the LG room air conditioner, dual inverter, smart Wi-Fi, 22,000 BTU. Okay, let's check it out what's inside. Okay, just open the box. We have the registration card, and then we have the owner's manual and the remote control, and this is the front face plate of the air conditioner. This one goes here, and these are some of the, what is this thing? I think, oh, these are the installation forms, installation. And this is somehow looks like some kind of hardware kit. And this is the cable. Yeah, that's the electric cable. Yeah. Okay, all right, I see. This one, what's inside? Okay. I think these are the parts, maybe a hardware or something to install it. So this is what it looks like from inside. Let's take this one off. What is this? Oh, just packaging. Okay, so this is the can you read it? Maybe not. That's what it is. Okay, so this is the width from the front. It's slightly less than 26 inches. And then the dimension from the back to the front is slightly less than 27, but if we put the faceplate, then it might be 28. So this is without faceplate from the front and the back, and the height is approximately, let's check the height. So the height is slightly less than 18 inches top to bottom. This is the back side of the air conditioner, and this is what we have in this box. I thought there may be a hardware to that supports a supporting hardware for installation, like the air conditioner back support, but I don't see that here. These are just for the window installation. I'm not sure if these two can work. All right, let's see. Let's check the manual. What do we have in the manual? So okay. So found that they have these two brackets. So I see here. These are the support brackets that will be installed at the back of the air conditioner, I guess. So then steel brackets. So all right. The camera, since I'll be installing this air conditioner in the wall. I already have the opening, not in the window. And this is my air conditioner opening, so I'll be installing the air conditioner here, removing all these temporary fill up. So installing here. I already have this cut out in my wall, so don't need to install in the window. So this is what I'm going to clean up and put the new air conditioner inside.